If-else statements are the logic of code. Let's create a variable and call it x, and we'll set it equal to 3. Now let's make our first if-else statement. We'll write if x is greater than 3. This is checking if x, the variable, is greater than 3. And if it is, we'll make a colon, which is how you write that in Python, and then we'll print hello world. So if x is greater than 3, it will print hello world. Now let's make another condition. So we'll write elif, which means else if. So in another condition, if x is less than 3, we'll print by world. Now we'll run this, but you see we have a problem. It's not outputting anything. And this is because x is 3, and none of these conditions are being met. It's not greater than 3, it's not less. So let's make a default option, one it'll default to if none of the above options are true. So we'll write else, and then a colon, and we'll say print I'm still here. And now you can see if we run it, it prints out I'm still here because none of the conditions are met, so it just defaults to else. Now let's create some more advanced logic. So let's go up to the top again and write greeting, and we'll set that equal to false. So notice this one's a boolean. And we'll say down below, if greeting, and then a colon. Well, what does this mean? Well, if greeting is checking if greeting is true. Because you can see above, if x is greater than 3, it'll just output true. So down below, if greeting is just going to say if greeting is true, it will print hello world. And then if greeting is not equal to true, notice that exclamation point and equals is not equals true. So if it's not true, then we'll print by world. And you'll see what we get is I'm still here, and then at the bottom, by world.